Do you want to improve your English? Welcome to Mr. A's English class. Let's speak English together. Today, I'm going to teach you 5 verbs you can use right now. Good. The first verb I'm going to teach you is verb be. Be means to exist or to describe. Para ser or para estar. An example I can give you is I am happy. Repeat after me. I am happy. Or I am your teacher. Repeat after me. I am your teacher. You are my student. Repeat after me. You are my student. The second verb I'm going to teach you is have. Have means to possess. Ter alguma coisa. I have a car. Repeat after me. I have a car. I have a house. Repeat after me. I have a house. The third word I'm going to teach you is with do. Do means to perform an action. Fazer algo. An example I can give you is I do my homework. Repeat after me. I do my homework. I do exercise. Repeat after me. I do exercise. Good. The fourth word I'm going to teach you is say. Say means to say a word. Dizer algo ou falar algo. She says my name. Repeat after me. She says my name. She says hello. Repeat after me. She says hello. The fifth word I'm going to teach you is the word go. Go means to move or to travel. Significa ir a lugar. An example would be I go to work. Repeat after me. I go to work. I go to school. Repeat after me. I go to school. Great! That's it for this video. If you want to learn all 100 verbs, subscribe and watch the next lesson. Comment below I can speak English. Bye.